What's up, guys? This is Justin with XLR8 Roofing. We're out here in beautiful Winter Springs, Florida. Gonna go ahead and do an inspection on this house. Back in April of 2020, along with April of 2021, homeowner just has some concerns. The roof age is estimated about 15 years. I just want to see if he has any damage. Noticed a lot of his neighbors have already got roofs replaced in the past year, so just wants to see what's going on with this. Let's go. Some other things we want to note up here, it's not necessarily covered through insurance, but this chimney cap has seen better days. It's pretty rusted out. I'm sure there's probably some real small holes causing some leaks, and over time it's just going to continue to rust. Go ahead and notate that for the customer, let them know that, hey, it might be best to go ahead and replace it. Up on top of the chimney too, we see some nice splatter marks, just showing signs of hail. Just all extra things that we want to show and be able to document for insurance. Just want to show you guys some additional collateral that I found, confirming the fact that the hail came in the direction I thought it did when I was up on the roof. It's on the same direction. All the hail hits are on the same side. It's nice evidence, again, just showing that the way that the storm came in was out of that direction. So the house is going to be a little bit sheltered with some of these trees, but there's still enough evidence on the far side over there to go ahead and get this roof replaced. Just some additional things. Notice the hail impacts in the screen. Again, this is Justin with XLR8 Roofing. Have a wonderful weekend.